At FTD, we know there's a romantic side to everyone. That's what inspired this bouquet. I'm Andrea Ansel, Director of Design, and today we'll be building the standard size of the Romantique bouquet as part of our Valentine's Day collection. Take your cinched vase and fill it about 3/4 of the way with room temperature water. Begin building out your base with solal tips. Next, insert 2 stems of lavender stock on one side of the bouquet. This overall design should feel compact, so keep the stems shorter than usual. Then add your lily stem, carefully placing it towards the center so it doesn't get bruised or damaged during production or delivery. This should sit low towards the lip of your vase. Next, add your alstroemeria. Put these on opposite sides of the arrangement to allow your recipient's eyes to travel. After, place your purple status. Remember to use all of your laterals and cluster them in groups. This bloom gives us a beautiful pop of purple which blends nicely with the other colors. Lastly, add your mini carnations, which really make this piece a romantic gesture for someone sweet. That's it. Have fun creating this darling bouquet.